In this video, I will show you how to fix mic not working on Discord. So, here are quite a few things you can do if your microphone is not working on Discord. So the first thing is you can restart your device or restart Discord. So just close Discord, restart your PC, and then open the Discord app. And if the microphone is not working, you can for example, test your microphone. When you go to settings, go to voice and video, and here you have a mic test. And if you click on let's check, you can check your microphone and you'll hear yourself. And if the microphone is working, you will hear yourself. Then there are quite a few more things you can do. You can ensure that the correct microphone is selected. So again, when you go to settings and voice and video, you want to choose the correct microphone as your input device. If that doesn't work, as I said, you can restart or log out of Discord. So you can go to user settings and scroll down and just log out and log in, and then see if it's working. You can maybe reset Discord's voice settings, or the thing that you might not have active is Discord's access to a microphone, or as the last thing you can do is change the input device to another microphone. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content.